Hey everyone, today I have an important announcement about Node and how you can update it safely to protect your applications. Too long, didn't read. A serious vulnerability has been discovered in Node. To keep your apps secure, you need to update to the latest version immediately. Let's dive into the details and see how you can do this quickly and easily. Quick update steps. First, go to the Node official website, then download and install the latest version. It's that simple. Detailed information. Now that you know the quick steps to update, let's talk in detail about what's going on and why this update is so important. So, what is Node? It's a popular open source tool that lets developers run JavaScript code on servers. It's great for building scalable network applications because of its efficient, event-driven architecture. Basically, it helps you use JavaScript for server-side coding, not just in web browsers. About the vulnerabilities, let's dive into the specific vulnerabilities that were discovered. Number 1, batch file handling issue. The first issue is with how Node handles batch files on Windows. When you use certain methods to start new processes, they don't properly manage these files. This can let attackers trick the server into running harmful commands, even if you have some security settings turned off. So what could happen? Well, attackers could access sensitive data without your permission. They might even take control of the entire server. This could disrupt your services, potentially causing data loss, and it could also lead to further attacks on other connected systems. Number 2, network import restriction bypass. The second issue allows attackers to bypass network import restrictions. Normally, certain files are restricted to prevent security problems, but attackers can use special rules to sneak harmful code into these imports, tricking the server into running unauthorized code. This means attackers can get around the security measures that protect network imports. It increases the risk of security breaches for both developers and their servers. Number 3, file permission model bypass. The third issue affects the experimental permission model in Node. Certain file operations can bypass these permissions, allowing attackers to change file ownership or permissions using a read-only file descriptor, which shouldn't happen. This is important for users of the experimental permission model in Node versions 22 and 20. Number 4, file stats access. The fourth issue is with the file stats API. Even if you restrict file reads, attackers can still get information about files they shouldn't have access to. Flaw lets them bypass the intended security restrictions. In other words, malicious actors can retrieve information about files without having explicit read access. Number 5, unpaths processing issue. The fifth issue is a bug in how Node processes certain network file paths on Windows. The model makes incorrect assumptions about these paths, which can lead to security vulnerabilities in specific cases. This affects Windows users of the Node permission model in versions 22 and 20. Impact summary. To summarize, the 22 version of Node has 1 high severity issue, medium severity issue, and 3 low severity issues. The 20 version has the same. The 18 version has 1 high severity issue and 1 medium severity issue. It's important to use an up-to-date version to keep your system secure. Step-by-step update guide. Now, let's go through the detailed steps to update your Node version safely. Method 1, direct update via Node website. First, navigate to the Node official website, then select and download the latest version, which is 22.4.1. Run the downloaded installer and follow the prompts. The installer will automatically update your existing Node version. Method 2, using nvman Windows. If installed, open command prompt, install the latest Node version by running nvman install latest, then set the newly installed version as the default by running nvman use latest installing nvman Windows if you don't have nvman Windows installed. Download it from the nvman Windows GitHub page and follow the installation instructions. Why is this important? Let's talk about why keeping your Node version up to date is so crucial. Keeping your Node version up to date is essential to protect your applications from known vulnerabilities. An outdated version may expose your system to potential attacks, resulting in data breaches or other security incidents. Conclusion: Node has had security issues in the past, so it's crucial for developers to stay vigilant and proactive in keeping their environments secure. Regularly updating Node and staying informed about the latest vulnerabilities are key steps to maintaining a safe development ecosystem. Stay safe and keep your development environment secure. Thanks for watching, and make sure to update your Node version today.